for 45 seconds. Without any delay, let's begin our workout. Our first movement for today is in reverse lunge. You start the movement by placing both your feet together, roll your shoulders back, chest out. You can hold two weights in your hand or interlock your fingers in front of you. You start this movement by stepping back, drop your knee close to the floor, keep your chest up, push back forward. Same thing on the other side. Don't forget to breathe every time you push back up, down and up. Now that you've got the movement, let's go for 45 seconds. Shoulders back, chest out, and let's go. Go back and up, back and up. That's it. Keep your chin up, chest out. You should feel the burn in your thighs. If you are also feeling the burn a little bit in the back of your legs, don't worry, that's completely normal. Keep working. Nice deep breaths. Don't forget, keep checking your form. That's it, guys. Come on, we're almost there. 45 seconds. Keep going. If you're breaking a bit of a sweat right now, don't worry. It's part of the process. With that smile on your face. Almost there. And done. Good job, guys. Really good work. Move on to our next exercise, which is glute bridge. For this, we have to get down onto the mat. Once you're down on the mat, lie back, bring your feet shoulder width apart. Bring your feet in close to your glutes, palms down on the floor. Don't forget to suck your belly button and imagine as though you're scooping a weight up. Press all the way up, squeeze your glutes, breathe out, come down nice and slow the same way. Focus on the muscle that you're trying to work. Press up and down, up and down. Now that you got the hang of this movement, let's go for 45 seconds. Palms down and let's go. Press. Don't forget to breathe. Every time you're moving up, breathe out, squeeze your glutes. That's it. If you're feeling a lot of pressure on your lower back, try to scoop your belly button up as much as you can. You should be feeling the burn in your glutes right now. Keep going. Almost there, guys. That's it. Don't give up. Don't forget to breathe. We're almost there. Final stretch. Keep working. And time. Really good job, guys. Our next movement for today is sumo squat. For this movement, you have to try and place your feet slightly wider than shoulder width apart, toes pointed out. Interlock your fingers in the front. From here, push your hips back, keep your chest and chin out, breathe out, stand back up, push back and up. Now that you're comfortable with this movement, let's go for 45 seconds. Remember your positioning, shoulders rolled back, chest out, fingers interlocked, let's go. Push your hip back, breathe out, stand up. Keep working. You should feel the burn in your thighs at this point in time, but remember, that's always a good thing. Keep working. Keep your abs nice and tight so you don't get any lower back pain. Don't forget, drive your knees out. That's it, guys. Keep going. That's it. Keep working those legs. Down. Breathe out, stand up. Good work. We're almost there. Keep it going. Good. And time. Alright, for our next movement, we're going to get down on the mat for fire hydrants. Here, you're going to get down. Remember to keep your wrists, elbows and shoulders in one line and your knees are directly under your hips. Keep your spine stable the entire time. What you're going to do from here is kick one leg out to the side as high as you can, bring it back in, out to the side, bring it back in. Okay, so we're going to go for 45 seconds on each side. Let's get started. Nice and strong. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Kick your leg out to the side. Remember, you should feel this movement in the side of your legs and in your glutes. Try to keep your core nice and stable and not move around too much. Keep breathing. If you feel this movement in your abs a little bit, don't worry, completely normal. Breathe out. Try to focus on the muscle that you're trying to work. Keep going, guys, we're almost there. Try not to put too much pressure onto your palms. Focus on lifting that leg up as high as you can. 3, 2, and 1. Let's switch to the other leg. Same thing, up and let's go. Same intensity, guys. Don't let your intensity drop. Don't let your back droop. Stay nice and strong. We're almost there. That's it. Keep going. Again, I want you to focus on the muscle that you're trying to work. Focus on your glutes. Keep breathing. That's it. You're almost there. If you're feeling the burn, you're doing it right. So keep going. That's it. Keep working. And done. That was a really good job, guys. Let's move on to abs from here. We're going to go for bicycle thrust. You're going to start the movement by lying back. Your palms are behind your head. From here, raise both your legs up, twist your body, bring your opposite elbow to your opposite knee, and twist. You should feel this movement in the side of your abs, which are your obliques. Don't forget, keep breathing and twisting. Now that you're comfortable with the movement, let's go for 45 seconds. Hands behind your head, feet up, let's go. Remember to point your other leg out as straight as possible. Twist. If you're feeling the burn, like I say, you're doing it right. So keep going. Especially in the side of your abs, guys. That's what you need to be focusing on right now. Nice and strong. Clean movement. Don't make it sloppy. Keep working. Don't forget to breathe. Holding your breath doesn't help. Keep going nice and slow. The slower you go, the more effective it is. And done. That was a really good job, guys. We're going to move on to side plank from here. Here you're going to place your wrist and elbow in one line, elbow and shoulder in one line. Palms flat on the floor, feet are stacked upon the other. Push your hip up, extend your arm up and hold. Your body needs to be in one straight line and hold. We're going to do this for 45 seconds. So let's get into position. Nice and easy, up and hold. Okay, I don't want your hips dropping. Keep them up, nice and easy. Don't drop your head either. Keep it up. Good. If you don't want to keep your arm up, no problem. You can keep it down to the side. If it helps you with balance, keep it up. Keep going, guys. We're almost there. We're almost there. Okay, if you're feeling the side of your abdomen burn, it's great. Keep working. Deep breath. Almost there, guys. Keep it going. And time. Really good job. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. Switch positions. Switch positions. Same thing. 3, 2, up and hold. Same thing applies, guys. Keep working. Try not to swing, move stuff around. Try to be as stable as possible. Don't worry about if you're feeling uncomfortable. It's going to be great. Keep working. Good stuff, guys. Nice deep breath. That's it. Almost there. Keep going. Remember, we're almost there. So keep pushing through. Good stuff. Try smiling if you can, that helps. Keep it going. And tight. Alright, that was a really good job. Let's go on to our next movement, which is plank to toe touches. Now in this movement, remember a plank, wrist, elbow, shoulders in one line, feet close together, hips up. The only difference is you're going to try and touch your toes. How do you do that? Push your hips back, touch your toe, come down to the same position, touch your toe, come back to the same position. If you're finding it difficult to touch your toe, no problem, you can touch your knee and come down. You have to keep your hips low at all points in time other than when you're touching your toes. So now that you're comfortable and you understand the movement, let's get to it for 45 seconds. Getting into position, feet out, and let's go. Breathe out, hips down. Try not to bend your knees if you can. Try to reach out and touch your toes. Keep going, nice deep breath. Don't worry if you're shaky, push through. You're here to get better, keep going. Almost there. Take your time with the movement, go at your own pace. And tired. Alright guys, that has been so good. We have one last movement left, which is Russian twist. Let's get into it. Alright, so this movement, you're going to fold your legs, lean slightly back. If you're comfortable, bring your feet off the floor. From here, twist to either side. Keep your chest up, keep your chin straight, and keep working. Okay, so now that you're comfortable with the movement, let's go for 45 seconds. Last one guys, give it all you got. Chest out, lean back, and twist. Keep breathing, don't stop. If you find that your thighs are hurting, don't worry, you can drop your legs down, otherwise keep working. For anyone who's finding this too easy, add a weight in your hands right here. Keep going. Try not to swing your legs too much. Keep it stable. Oh no, I'm vibrating. Good. Keep going. Almost there guys, almost there. Just imagine your abs after this. Keep going. That's it guys. Final stretch. And time. Really good job guys. Alright guys, that's the end of our workout. I hope you had fun.
Thank you so much for watching and hope you learned from my video.